Namaste. Welcome to our day 6 30 days yoga challenge. Today we will work onto our hips. So let's join the feet together. Hold your feet, lift your chest up and shake your legs. And gradually stop. And take one leg into the hand and shake like your baby. An excellent asana for your hips. Gently bring the leg down and chain the leg. Gently bring the leg down and bring one leg back. So let's say you're bringing left leg back, right leg remains on the front. Try to bring your both hips onto the ground. Open the leg if you can, palm together. And change your leg. So this leg go in front, right leg goes back. Open the leg if you can. Adjust your body, see what feels the best. Palm together. Exhale, release. Now let's do the same pose one more time, but in the front of your mat. So bringing the right leg back, palm together, and bring the hands on the ground and stretch your right leg back and try to bring the hip center of your pelvic towards the ground. Relax your shoulders, look forward or close your eyes. And gently drop yourself towards the left. Bring your right knee back, chain the leg. Left leg goes back, palm together. And once you're ready, adjust your leg, hands on the ground. Stretch the left leg back, pelvic floor towards the ground. Relax your shoulders. Then drop yourself to the right. Bring your leg back. Stand onto your knees. And bring your right foot forwards. Left leg back. Hands by the side of the foot. Push your hip down, look forward. Then bring your right hand and press your right knee gently to the right. See how much you can push without hurting or restraining yourself. Just feel the stretch onto your hips and no more strain. Good. Bring the feet back, leg back, and bring the foot away from your body, away from your hands. Bring the elbows on the ground, interlock your fingers. Adjust the way it feels the most comfortable and best in your body. And palms on the ground. Adjust the leg back. Left hand on the ground, right hand towards the sky. Close your eyes or open. Balance. Exhale down. Bring the right hand on the ground. Left hand towards the sky. Bring the hands down. Hands by the side of the foot. Tuck your toes. Go into warrior one. And bring the hands down. Leg back into cat. Left foot forward. Right knee slightly back. Push your hip, look forward. Then place the right hand on the ground. Push your left knee slightly more towards the left. If you can press the hip towards the ground, that will be awesome. Good, come back. Bring elbows on the ground. Interlock your fingers. Press your back leg a bit more back. Adjust your body so that you feel most comfortable in this and most stretched into your hips, front thigh. And bring both hands onto the ground. Adjust. Bring the left hand towards the sky. And hands on the ground. Right hand towards the sky. Bring the hand on the ground. Both hands by the side of the foot. Tuck your toe, go into warrior one. Front knee on the 90 degree. Back leg is pressing backward. Balance. Then bring the hand down, go back into cat and sit in any comfortable seated posture. Let the breathing come down to normal. And give thanks in prayer pose. And we are done with the practice. Namaste.